XCT, Xavier's entrance test step-by-step application procedure. I'm going to show you in this video. Also, important documentation and students who are eligible to apply for this entrance exam. This is really important, guys, because you will be paying 3,000 rupees as an application fees. Let me remind you, this is just the entrance exam application, not an admission form. So guys, make sure that you watch the video till the end so that you know each and every detail. Hi guys, welcome back to Media Mentor. Now let me start with the important date. Last date of application is 5th of June. Admit card will come by 10th and 11th of June and your exam will be conducted on 13th or 14th of June because आपको offline center पे जाके exam देना है. It's an online exam but you will have to go to the center and appear for the exam. उसके चलते या तो आपका exam 13th को होगा या 14th को and time slot दिया जाएगा आपको. एग्जाम ड्यूरेशन 2 आवर्स की होगी. देयर इज नो नेगेटिव मार्किंग. एंड गाइज लेट मी अगेन रिपीट, आपका जो एग्जाम है एंट्रेंस एग्जाम इज फॉर BMS विच इज नाउ नोन एज BCom मैनेजमेंट स्टडीज, BMM एंड BSc IT. ये 3 कोर्सेज के लिए ही आपका जो है एग्जाम होता है. अदरवाइज आप अगर जेवियर्स में एडमिशन लेना चाहते हो और कोई कोर्सेज में, वो आपके 12वीं के स्कोर पे होते हैं. If you want to know about the syllabus, marking scheme, how to prepare, इस पे मैंने already video बना दिया है, आप मेरे channel पे check कर सकते हो. This video is more about documentation and lot of students who ask कि मैम मैं eligible हूँ क्या apply करने के लिए. तो पहली eligibility criteria ये है कि आपको जो 12th है वो first attempt में पास करना है. आपको compartment लगी है, आपने 12th second attempt दिया है तो आप eligible नहीं हो. ऑल्सो आपकी एज 22 ईयर से ज्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. आप जिस दिन आपका फॉर्म भर रहे हो अकॉर्डिंग टू योर डेट ऑफ बर्थ आपकी एज 22 ईयर से कम होनी चाहिए. अगर उससे ज्यादा है तो आप एलिजिबल नहीं हो. आपका जो डॉक्यूमेंट है फॉर योर एज प्रूफ इज योर स्कूल लिविंग सर्टिफिकेट और योर बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट. ये दो में से आपको एक सर्टिफिकेट मैंडेटरी प्रोड्यूस करना पड़ेगा टू प्रूव योर डेट ऑफ बर्थ. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट कैथलिक माइनॉरिटी, उसके लिए बैप्टिज्म सर्टिफिकेट जो है वो मैंडेटरी है. तो ये जो 2 डॉक्यूमेंट है ये काफी ज्यादा आपको यूजफुल होने वाले हैं. तो मेक श्योर करना कि दोनों ही आपके पास है. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द बोर्ड्स, आप कोई भी बोर्ड से हो सारे एलिजिबल है. डिप्लोमा स्टूडेंट 2 से 3 साल का अगर आपने डिप्लोमा किया है तो भी आप एलिजिबल हो. NIOS बोर्ड भी एलिजिबल है बट 5 सब्जेक्ट से ज्यादा होना चाहिए. IB बोर्ड, कैम्ब्रिज बोर्ड, सारी ही चीजें इन्होंने डॉक्यूमेंट में मेंशन की है, प्लीज आप देख लीजिए. तो ये सारे बोर्ड जो हैं वो एलिजिबल हैं टू अप्लाई फॉर XCT. नाउ द एप्लीकेशन फीस इज 3,000 रुपीज विच इज नॉन रिफंडेबल और आपका जो सिलेक्शन होगा वो एग्रीगेट मार्क्स पे होगा. मतलब कि 60% वेटेज आपके XCT को दिया जाएगा और 40% वेटेज जो है वो आपके 12वीं के मार्क्स को दिया जाएगा. तो आपको ये दोनों मिला के जो आपका एग्रीगेट बनता है उसके हिसाब से मेरिट लिस्ट लगेगी. आई होप एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर गाइज. अगर कोई भी डाउट है प्लीज डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट बॉक्स बिलो. ऑल्सो यू कैन गेट इन टच विद मी पर्सनली ऑन दिस WhatsApp नंबर फॉर 1-on-1 काउंसलिंग सेशन. अगर आप चाहते हो हमारी टीम आपको हेल्प करे फॉर फॉर्म फिलिंग, एप्लीकेशन, उसके लिए भी आपको सेम नंबर पे WhatsApp करना है. नाउ लेट अस सी द एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस. स्टेप बाय स्टेप आप कैसे अप्लाई करोगे. अगर आपका बोर्ड रिजल्ट्स नहीं आया है तो आपको क्या करना है और अगर आया है तो क्या करना है वो भी हमने इस स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसीजर में आपको समझा दिया है.
So guys, this is the home page of Xavier's entrance test registration. You have to open the link and click on register and fill in your basic details such as your full name, the username that you want to select. You have to enter your email ID and your mobile phone. Please do not do any mistake for the email ID and mobile phone as it will be used for verifying. There will be verification codes sent out. Those need to be verified later on. Kindly look at the CAPTCHA carefully and enter the details. So this is what I was saying. Once you get the verification code on email and phone, you have to enter the proper verification code and verify. Post that, you can log into your account with the username and the password which you set earlier. CAPTCHA verification is a necessity. Now once you have logged in, you will see various streams entrance exams for which you want to apply. We have doing a sample BMS application That's why I selected this option. So inside the application form you can see various options and various tabs, which is starting. One is your personal information, another one is your qualification, third one is your documents, fourth one is the application preview, fifth one is the payment page, and sixth is the page wherein you get to download your admission application once you've made the payment, right? So now on the personal information page we will fill out our basic details and we'll select the date of birth. Kindly ensure as per the notification given in the XCT entrance PDF. At the time of filling the form, your age has to be lesser than 22 years. That's what the notification has been issued. And while you're submitting the form, kindly ensure the form is submitted with the correct information of your address, your religion, your basic details such as name, email ID, etc., parents' details, and the contact information also has to be neatly mentioned. So once you have submitted your PIN code, you have to submit your district. It is mandatory. Even state is mandatory. In case your correspondence address, the address of communication is same as the address where you are mentioned as the permanent address, you can use it as yes, so the address gets replicated. In case you stay at a different location and you want the communication to be sent to some other location, you have to select no. In this case we have selected yes, right? And you have to select the Mumbai SXC or nearest examination center. We have selected Mumbai as this is the nearest for us. The examination center can be selected by you. Now while filling the information on this particular screen, you will see your parents' information is also very much critical and mandatory, right? Once you fill the details, you go to the next page wherein you mention your academic qualification, you mention the result. If you have appeared and not got the result, you have to click on appeared, right? And once you click on appeared, then you will have to upload your photo and signature. Now in case you have got your result, you have to select passed. Once you select passed, you have to select your 12th standard stream. You have to mention the year of passing and you have to enter overall marks. Remember guys, overall and not best of something. Overall marks have to be entered and the marks have to be entered in a PDF format. You have to enter your PDF of your 12th standard, select your respective board and enter the total marks that you have got. Okay. Now, after doing that, you have to enter each and every subject that you opted for, the marks that you got in each and every subject and the maximum marks, right? You have to enter the obtained marks, the total marks and the subject name. That is the next step. So once you enter all the details, your marks at the end would be calculated and you will get a total percentage of the marks via pressing the calculate button. Once you get that, you have to save and continue. So once you have got the final calculation of the percentages, once you click on save and continue, then you will be going to the next page. On the next page, you have to have your photo as well as your signature. Both have to be digital form. Size of both of them should not exceed more than 1 MB. Okay guys, please remember size should not exceed 1 MB. For simplicity purpose, we'll just try to show a demo of how do we upload a JPG. So your signature has to be in a JPG format. In fact, your photo also has to be in a JPG format. Please remember the size limitations cannot be more than 1 MB for each of the files. For simplicity purpose, we are just showing with a sample image. This is how you will upload your photo as well as your signature, which you can write somewhere on the paper, click it, convert into JPG format, compress it to less than 1 MB size and upload guys. Okay? Remember this is very important. Now once you have done everything, please go through the instructions very carefully. Very carefully you have to read the instructions. And the next step will be payment. So this is where you pay the application fee 3000 rupees for XCT. Guys, please remember you have to read the instructions very carefully before proceeding to the payment page. Now comes the most important piece wherein you click on the payment gateway page. You enter your phone number to receive the digital charge slip, digital copy of the transaction that you're doing on the particular gateway. For instance, this is a Razorpay gateway. You can do the payment via UPI ID as well as you can generate a QR like we have generated, scan the QR and make the payment. So once the payment is complete, you will be able to download your application form.
आई होप गाइज आपको पूरा प्रोसीजर समझ गया होगा. नाउ दोज ऑफ यू गाइज हु आर थिंकिंग कि 11 जून के पहले आपका रिजल्ट आने ही नहीं वाला है, दे हैव गिवन एन ईमेल आईडी, उस पे आप उन्हें कनेक्ट कर सकते हो. लेट्स सी इफ दे विल गिव यू एनी सोल्यूशन, बिकॉज उन्होंने एग्जाम डेट पोस्टपोन होगी या क्या रीअटेम्प्ट होगा उसके बारे में कुछ मेंशन नहीं किया है. सिर्फ इतना बोला है अगर आपका हॉल टिकट 11th ऑफ जून तक नहीं आता है देन यू शुड गेट इन टच विद द ईमेल आईडी मेंशन. तो आप उनसे कनेक्ट कर सकते हो. लेट्स सी व्हाट सॉल्यूशन दे गिव, बिकॉज देयर आर फ्यू बोर्ड्स जिनके जो रिजल्ट्स हैं वो आने वाले हैं जुलाई में. तो इन दैट केस आई थिंक आपका एलिजिबिलिटी इशू आ सकता है. I hope guys the video was informative. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for a lot of such informative videos on Media Mentor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.